Well, he better make. But Jayden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bring on another new and it's exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, but a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Chronic Law, the law boss, has responded to Cahmiel, aka Nyamil, latest track titled Teach Them. Now, viewers and subscribers, Chronic Law say it obvious. Them not learn. Crazy laughing emoji. And this true. I hear Cahmiel say, Law boss, feeder, comment sections are the critique from fans. Wrong statement. Law boss actually listened to the critique and fixed the flow and deliver something to you where you just say a bass similes, and at that track I think one time alone me hear Law boss reference the word like. Other than that, me not hear him say it not more than once. Now you on the other hand, Cahmiel, still a try to paint a picture of a facade. People not believe. People not believe. As a matter of fact, there are fans who are saying that Chronic Law should respond to Cahmiel based upon the mere fact that Cahmiel did know say him never receive him song in time. That track yeah, really and truly, even though I know Cahmiel write music to himself, because we know people from us who say them see him write song. That song sound like somebody else write it. And the way him take long to put out the track, it's obvious that somebody else write that track yeah, theme. Now viewers and subscribers, late submission from Cahmiel. The song put out late, people already have say yo, if him take the amount of time that he did take to put out the track, he would have forfeit just by the fact that him take too long to release a track. The only reason why people that pay the lyrical confrontation any mind was because Cahmiel respond in a very timely fashion. He never take the time Move or Alkaline that take to respond to a track. Like how we say when Alkaline and Squash go at it, or when Alkaline and Tammy are, you know what I mean? Yeah, things of that nature. So we are say yo, more than likely him have a more, you know what I mean, quicker brain when it come to putting out music, but him fail with that. Now he must say Chronic Law run, because Chronic Law they tell him say yo, to the type of song them want put out the whole heap of fictional lyrical content, him not give no more. So he must say Chronic Law run, viewers and subscribers. It's a strategic move that he must try draw Chronic Law now for continue to respond to him. Him take days to respond to the tracks and draw out the whole lyrical confrontation. He must try to remain relevant. One fan pointed out that because them not have no performance to do and them can't put out no hit song, their plan is to stay relevant with the name of the Six and Vybz Kartel name. As a matter of fact, any member of the Gaza Nation, any member of the Gaza Nation, I'm willing to use that person their name for remain relevant in the game. That's them new strategy. More realize him not a song for put out. Him put out 2 posts. Them know me stay already and be things and a rush text and a misspell and a no misspell. Him put the wrong word wait for day and whole heap of something. I try to get the fans them to remember say oh yeah, Mob exists too. Just try and forget the fans to remember say him exists too. That's them plans, viewers and subscribers. Now talk to me, do you think Chronic Law should respond with a track release? Law boss probably hear the song and don't formulate a response from the same up from first night when it dropped. You know when I say last night. From first night when it dropped, yeah, and that's a Rasta statement. You will never hear Cahmiel use reference to first night or anything. I'm not a real Rasta, but keeping in tune with the reasoning. First night him drop him track, I'ma know from Chronic Law hear it, even if him never that pay much mind from somebody hear it and say, yo, Law boss, watch this, naka, such and such drop a song on Ray and look on the cover art and Ray. Him probably see it and drop the counteraction or formulate it in my mind already. Me and Cahmiel also say certain things in my mindset. Hinting at the fact that and the things them actually do are things them actually think about and a record in a song. And there is a difference. A hardcore individual who knows to live a certain lifestyle and take up music as a career, as a means of getting away from that type of lifestyle is different from somebody who has somewhat of a musical talent or has been told that they have musical talent and pursue music. It's different. When I used to drop out a farm with Terry and drop up on the road and in the streets and then him start go to studio and doing music, it's different from somebody who go to school. And then people must support them musical endeavors. Cause I never yet one time tell the same people, I tell him, say, boy, music, put on that and go look at work. You know, him say the thoughts cross his mind off him own, but him people him always supported him. I'm saying only they always supported the musical endeavors. We never hear Chronicler say him people never support him, but we can see the difference in a lifestyle growing up. We more believe the things that Chronicler say. We not believe what Cahmiel say. And if him is smart, he would have take the critique from fans and actually structure him song them if he is such a good songwriter. Structure him song in a way where I respond to this artist right now, talking about what is going on right now, and stop painting a picture of a life you lived before. Hoping that we will recognize you as a hardcore dancehall artist. That won't happen. I know that happen, so. No, so. No, in a lyrical confrontation where you are trying to tell me that. We have to know that. You know the something go. Now they must say, yeah, say TJ a place. When since TG are your place? The garden big man them don't know you. Them probably know the one song I'm a continue for reference. Your only big song, House on the Hill. You need to forward back to that style and go sing about House on the Hill. Some song and motivate, uplift. Are them type of song you ever sing? And you just a repeat pan tracks. Yo, you just a talk about that one Glock there so. You can't try convince me say you have it. Me no doubt say you have the money for purchase one. Me no doubt you have the money for purchase one, my G. You could have one, yes. You could have one in your studio right now. Were you a youth with have it in your knapsack or carry go to school? No. And me and we know people that carry them go to school. You were not one of them. You weren't among those who that carry them knapsack go to school. Make up that. Fiction. Fiction. As I would say, you respond. So I must say you want the clash to extend. Well, will Chronicler answer you? Because at this point in time, we know so you need the response to remain relevant. The song not that good. The song did not do that good. You're gonna need the response for strengthen back your career right now. Plus, if you have just decided now to leave your original fan base, your core fans, viewers and subscribers are the people who are listening to you long before you get the major bus or the mainstream break. Long before him a link with Alka and Mov them fans there. Him choose to stop make music for them. And he must say hardcore dancehall MVP fans him do music for now. Make us see if it gonna work out. So all the people make that gamble with them fan base. Remember, and a MVP they make people know who Cahmiel is. Actually Jamie. Yeah. Actually Jamie and your day one fans them. 1 year now link with Jamie no more. And now you stop make music for your core fans. Right now you have lost your identity in the music. And you have fight hard for recreate a new persona. And you have try to use an artist who already lyrically known for do it wrong move. I bet you find like a weak fence and beat it down. You can't go to the concrete wall. And not try to level it. No with the hand. You can't do that, brethren. It not gonna work. And dancehall music and fans of dancehall are not individuals who you can trick. Them will listen to your song. Them will listen. Some people will leave a real feet. Ask them if they believe what you say. Them are gonna say no. As a teacher, I say, the woman them know so no faker than the false nail where them are weird. Watch you have the thing where pop them head like create a beer. You have to know that. You have to know that. Now viewers and subscribers, Chronicler responses that them not learn. And I feel them not learn for true. If them even never respond and take so long for respond, may I expect a better track? That's saying I saw like about 5 people write it. May I expect some better lyrics? The rhythm subpar, it's not too bad. But other than the rhythm, and probably Boof Buff Records, I gotta take credit for the rhythm. So Boof Buff put out a alright rhythm. That's a Boof Buff rhythm sound better than some rhythm and Javi them I put out. Because I say, listen to the Javi rhythm them. I listen to the rhythm of Cahmiel of him latest track fan. It's better than all of them. Javi reading them. If most artists that never buy a reading from the dog. And then because of alkaline thing. That too, but the reading them does not sound like song, like reading way for modern day dancer. It just not sound like modern day dancer. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Like icon today, turn it blue in through, drop a like on the vlog for me like your ear, share icon today, you can tell a friend, tell a friend, but check out the channel, check out the vlog, check out the reason from anywhere you are them or they are in the world at this moment. So do that, the comment section open, tell them to join the discussion. You should also join it as well. Be respectful and mindful of that guidelines though. But other than that, talk to me. I wanna know what you have to say. Yeah, man, move settings fam. I wanna need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours. I wanna live, love and prosper until the reason again.